Good morning, Ahmad Abdullah. Good morning, Ahmad. Oo, may bata kami duha ka bilog. Vlog ko na 15 kag 21 na ang bata ko ya. Oh my God. That's really bad, Mike. That's really bad. I'm good, Ahmad. Thank you so much. How are you? From where are you, by the way, Ahmad? Dungagan mo pa sa amigo sang isa pagid. Amo ng edad ko. By the way, may upod ko di nga taga Iloilo. Daw tatlo, di ba kaupod ko nga taga Iloilo mo? Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Dua ka babayi, isa ka lalaki. Pero mag-asawa na yung ano, isa ka ano ang couple. Regards. Sure. Anong pangalan mo? Amigo-amigo ko lang man. Amigo, guys, means friend. Sure, I will send your regards to them. Oh, very bad, Mike. Very bad. Sorry for that. I'm sorry for that, Mike. Sorry. So you don't know yet until when it will be fixed. I'm so full. I just ate. Again, tonight I ate rice. Because I got chicken biryani. Chicken biryani. Rohit Kumar, hello. Mega love shout out everyone. Vikas Ramula. This is why I do not want service. Yeah, that's the problem. You don't want the service, but the thing is, you really have to. You don't have choice. Sorry, I want to stand because I'm too full. I'm reading your comment here. Patil on sale, hello. Welcome back, Patil. Busog-busog sa akon. Kay may salad pagit be. I'm too full, guys. That's why I want to stand for the moment. I ate chicken biryani and with yogurt salad. Beef stroganoff. Oh, that's more heavier. That's more heavier, Mike. But if you ate only few, so it's okay. Kismes, hello. Mega love shout out. Fairos Ferozogi. Thank you so much. I'm too full, that's why I want to stand for the moment. Amo na gani, tagaan ta na lang kagani jacket, amigo Kaya masalig na ko sa imo kay pareho man nga duha ilunggo. Kaso lang basi mahisa naman ng iban karon. Yung mga gunggong na nga daan.